Good Saturday afternoon. Thought I'd go ahead and give a quick update. Yes, we did get more rain than I thought we would last night and into today. Nice to actually have a better output of rain than expected. Still not enough, but over a half an inch for a lot of people, so that was really good news. This is going back a little bit in time, but front's coming through, so showers are kind of moving out to the east. Still some scattered showers through the day. Maybe I'd say thunderstorm, although I think the thunderstorm threat is over. Tomorrow we're going to cool off with northerly winds. Highs will be up in the mid and upper 60s. The winds will around make it cooler. Even by tomorrow morning, it's going to feel chilly because the wind and the dropping temperatures overnight. So don't be surprised to wake up kind of chilly tomorrow morning, and then colder tomorrow night with lows in the low 40s before we start bouncing right back up to some warmer weather as we go into the week. See the high by Tuesday. You'll see it's off to the east, which means southerly winds are going to come in here, warm us up into the 80s, and then maybe some showers with this front later in the week. Nothing super organized, but we can hope for some more rain just like we got this. So Friday into Saturday, just like now, maybe a few showers will come through and then clear up. And then again, the chilly push. This was a little stronger of a chilly push for next weekend, so I have to watch and see how cold it does get, because the nighttime lows could become really chilly for the weekend, the first weekend in May. Then things stay kind of cool for a few days, quite a few days here as things try to figure themselves out. But this is so far off, who knows if this is true, before we warm back up, and then yet another front kind of drops down and another chilly shot as we go into early May. Kind of a wash and repeat pattern here ongoing. So how much precipitation is left for us? It's a good question. First of all, let's just look at the temperature anomalies and temperatures over the next week, because you're going to see those those colder intrusions. So today, obviously, we're warm, but the cooler air tomorrow comes in, chills us out for just a day or two before we get that southerly wind here by Tuesday to quickly shear our temperatures back up before that front comes through late in the week. It's going to take a little bit of time, so it's pretty warm most of the week long until Friday. And then you look at this colder shot in for next Saturday as that front gets off the coast. As the cold comes out of Canada, we could have a really chilly shot here of cold air next weekend. It's becoming more prevalent on the models, so we'll have to see if it comes true. Hopefully it also is accompanied by some rain initially. But it stays chilly for a few days according to the models. We'll have to see if it comes true, like I said. And so there's kind of like a cool trend in the long range. So we'll have to see if this is true. If so, we're going to go from a pretty warm, mild pattern to a really cool pattern for this time of year, at least below normal in the temperatures. So how much is the forecast showing for rain? Now realize we've got some rain chances today, probably almost over already at the point of this posting, so not too much left here. But if we look at all the overall rain, most of it's east of us. Not sure. So yeah, over the next 24, 48 hours, that's the rain that's left, and then maybe the shots later this week as the front comes through and into the weekend before the chilly air comes and meets us. So anyway, that is your Saturday outlook for weather. Again, kind of rain showers today, should clear up, get chilly even overnight into tomorrow. Yes, we'll be up in the 60s tomorrow with cooler winds and breezes. Winds could gust into the 30s. Tomorrow night, much cooler before we transition and start warming up by Tuesday. Then maybe we have some warmer weather with some rain, and then a much cooler shot next weekend. So we'll have to see if all that comes to fruition. Have a good Saturday and rest of your weekend.